Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of CSV Files in Python. As we have discussed how to read file in previous topic, now we are going to see how to write these files. So let us see what are the offering for today. Today I am going to start my session by demonstrating how to write CSV files in Python by using CSV module. And then we will be having some questions based on today's topic. So without much delay, let's get started. To demonstrate writing CSV file, I will jump to my IDE. As previously discussed, to read and write CSV file, we have to import a CSV module. To do that, I have used import.csv. In the previous topic, we have read a file called result.csv. Okay. To learn more about reading a file, you can go to the link given in description. So let's get started. Allow me to comment this because I want to use this piece of a code later on in this tutorial. To write a file, first we need to open a file in a write mode. So with open, let's say file will be called a new file.csv and I'm going to open in a WP mode, writing a binary mode as fw will be the file handle, and then let's create a file writing object. So it will be called a writer. You can choose any name which suits to you. Writer is equals to csv dot, let's say, writer. This will return a writer object and I have to pass a file. Okay, so what I have did here is I have used a CSV module dot writer which accepts a parameter called file, and it has an optional parameter called delimiter, and here I will be passing delimiter is equals to let's say again a comma because it is mostly used, so I'll be using this only, and then I will be writing some files, some text. Okay, so to write a row we have writer dot write row. Now here I can supply a list and this will be my header, so I will be supplying a roll number, comma, let's say name of the student, and then it will be, let's say, email. Okay, so this will be my first header row, and then I will be copying this data and supplying, let's say, roll number 1 and is, let's say, Aman, and let's say aman@gmail.com. Similarly, I can create many more rows, and here I have 2, here I have 3. Let's say instead of Aman, let's say Govind, let's say Arjun @yahoo.com, let's say yahoo.com, it's gd@. That's now we are finished with our records. So what I'm trying to do is I want to write a first row as a header row, and then I will be having 3 more records to it. So let us create this new file by executing it. So I have executed. Now you can see it's giving me invalid syntax. Okay, I have used a bracket. I should not be using it. Now let us execute this piece of a code. I have written binary mode, but it is a plain text, so we are going to use a normal writing mode without using B. So now you can see my file is created or not. Let's synchronize this and see whether my new file.csv is created or not. Now if I go down, my new file is created. Let's open it. Now you can see my file is here. Now you can see a gap. Okay, now you can see there is an extra line gap. Now how you can remove is you can simply specify one more parameter while opening the file is you can specify comma new line is equals to dash. Now Why we need to do it is, whenever we are writing a right row, Python prints it like this: /r, /r and /n. So that's why there is an extra line of this /r and n. Okay, so what we are going to do is, in place of a /n, we are just having a simply empty string. Okay, just we do it just like we do it in print. Now let us execute this program and see whether it has taken effect or not. So now if I see my file, it is created. Now some more records can easily be added by simply using A instead of W. Okay, so this is how you can create a file in Python using CSV module. So let us conclude our today's topic by having questions. So my first question is, write a program to write a list of dictionary to the file. Note all the element in the dictionary must contain same keys, so that you can make keys as a column. Okay, now you have to take care that when you are writing dictionary, you have to extract all the values from the key and insert in a particular column, right? This can be done by using a write dictionary method, but we will talk in next topic. Now my next question is, write a command to write only those records from abc.cbs file or CSV file whose first column contains 100 in a new record.csv. So my mistake, you can correct this as CSV. Okay, comma separated values. That's all for today. Hope you have learned how to write a file, CSV file. Hope you have learned how to write CSV files. Thank you and goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.